Hi everybody, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the ways to use Zelle with online only banks. In order to use Zelle with an online only bank, you could follow the steps. First thing, check if your bank offers Zelle through your online banking or mobile banking app. If your bank does not offer Zelle, then you could download it on your Android or an iOS device. Next thing you want to do is set up your Zelle account by entering your email address, your phone number, all of that. Link with the US checking or savings account as well. Next thing you want to do is provide information for the debit card you'd like to use and set up different password for Zelle. Once you've enrolled Zelle, money will automatically be deposited into your bank account. If the recipient you're sending money is to enroll with, they will get notified explaining how to receive money. So that's how you could go ahead and use Zelle with online only bank. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.